1, 2, 3.
Go, go, go! There they are! They're done anything underneath the towel, it will go. Alright, cabin number 5.
Let's go.
Everyone. Cabin number 5.
Oh, right here.
Igor, come on.
Sorry about this. You know they're really nice guys, you know.
Okay, cabin number 5. Stop it.
Watch it not be them. Like some random church.
Ready?
Darling. Oh, darling. Whoa, they're all asleep. Go.
What is going?
They're asleep, man.
We made so much enemies in like the last 10 minutes. We're gonna get attacked in Mark Island.
Ready.
Retaliation, eh?
Are you so fucking good?
This guy beat the crap out of us.
Let's go!
I'll get in my head. Let's go.
Back to
Every cabin.
Get back to cabin 7. Let's go home. There's like 3 churches now. Well, the one guy did. Well, my cousin stood up and smacked me in the face, and then he went right back in the bed, dove in the cover.
Because he knows better.
Go full force. Everyone in.
Go, go.
Watch out, block with your pillows! And push! Check their exit!
Get over here.
I declare war!
I was just trying to pass. You guys have to fight.
I'm Jesus Christ, fire!
Escape!
Alright, go home, go! Retreat!
Jesse, you have the shoes outside. Jesse, you have the shoes outside.
We're so
What a rampage.
That was hilarious.
You guys going to the other cabin?
Yeah, I'm watching number 1 and 5.
Oh,
Let's go back to
I thought you guys
cabin
were going to that, their cabin.
Let's go back to cabin 1.
They put it